merong tao dito na sobrang laki ng regret niya kasi hindi ka niya nai-pursue. Now, if you're seeing this message, this is a sign that this person wanted to speak to you. So, if you're seeing this message around October to December, this is your love reading. What I'm channeling here is gusto ng tao na to na magpaliwanag sa'yo. Kasi ito yung talagang dahilan kung bakit hindi natuloy yung love connection yung dalawa. And probably this is the only reason that you wanted to hear, the explanation that you wanted to hear, that you've been wanting to hear. Okay, so may Six of Cups ka dito. You're dealing with your soulmate. Sa tingin ko, kaya hindi nagkaroon ng progress yung connection nyo sa past, it's because this person is not yet ready to be aligned with you. Kasi napaka-immature ng tao na to, kaya ayan, nagtatago